Sleep, I'm so tired.
No, you may not.
Jake. Jake!
Ah, what do you want? I was sleeping.
Jakey, you forgot to ask. Mother, may I?
Oh, no, Mother, I wasn't really sleeping. I was just pretending.
Jakey, lying to Mother? You may die.
Jake!
You may not cry.
Yes, Mother. I can't keep my eyes open. I'm gonna fall asleep.
I can't do this anymore. I'm going to sleep.
Emma, you can't sleep. You need to stay alive. I can't stay awake much longer. Mother, may I go to sleep?
No, you may not. You may stay awake.
I'm exhausted. If only there was a way we could stop playing Mother May I.
Mother, may I? Stop playing Mother, may I?
You?
Die in the dark or die in the light? I have to choose dark. Light is everywhere. There's no way I can avoid it.
Hey, Bree.
Sorry, I was just sleeping. I've learned to sleep with my eyes open because if I close my eyes too long, I'll die.
What are you talking about? Oh, wow, that skirt is so cute.
Thanks. It's from Halara. It's super stretchy. It has built-in shorts, and the best part is, because of the design, it doesn't ride up.
It's too bright in here. Let's turn the lights off.
No, don't do it. If it gets dark in here, I'll die.
Hey, Bree, are you okay?
Yeah, my vision's just a little blurry. I think I need my eyes checked.
Thanks for coming in today, Brianna. I have some unfortunate news to tell you. You're rapidly going blind.
Wait, if I go blind, that means everything will be dark. Mother, may I eat this bagel? Only I can eat this bagel.
You may. I'm so dizzy.
Emma!
She's too weak. She needs to eat something.
Mother, may I share my bagel?
I guess you may.
Here. Em, you need to eat this. You okay, Em?
I'm feeling a little better. Mother, may I have a drink of water? No, you may not.
Mother, may I drink this glass of water?
You may, but you have 10 seconds to finish it or you'll die.
Mother, I finished it!
All right, you may live.
Mother, may I go to sleep? I'm so tired.
No, you may not.
Jake! Jake! No, wait! Mother, may I ask for a truce?
You may try.
I don't want a truce. You don't deserve it. Steph was my best friend and now she's gone.
Look, I know what I did was wrong, but you don't have to be like me. You're better than that.
You're right. I am better than that. But don't think we're friends anymore. You're dead to me. Yeah, school's out.
Mother, may I go home? School's over.
No, you may not. You may stay at school.
Why is Mother doing this? She's not letting anyone go home today. I'm hungry. I want dinner.
I'm starving. Mother, may I eat my bagel? You may, but anyone has a chance to steal your meal.
Brianna, stop!
Mother, may I eat this bagel and only I can eat this bagel? Mother, may I comfort my friend?
No, you may not. You may kill her with the item in your back pocket.
No, Brianna, you wouldn't. I'm your friend.
Steph, I can't disobey Mother. Steph, there's nowhere for you to run now.
Mother, may I kill Brianna?
You may.
No! Mother, may I go home and cry?
No, you may not. You may face the consequences of your actions.
Look what you did! You killed Steph! How could you, Brianna? She was my best friend!
She was my friend too! Mother told me to do it. I can't disobey what Mother says.
Mother, may I avenge my friend and kill Brianna?
You may.
No, wait! Mother, may I ask for a truce?
You.
Yummy chocolate. Mother, may I have a bite of chocolate?
No, you may not. You may throw it on the floor.
Chocolate.
Timmy, you forgot to ask. Mother, may I?
Mother, may I go home? I'm scared.
You may.
Mother, may I? Please let me have a drink of water.
No, you may not.
Babe!
You may not disobey Mother. Ever.
I can't believe it. Mother killed my boyfriend. She's such a...
Shh! She's always listening. Mother, may I comfort my friend?
No, you may not. You may kill her.
Mommy, look what I can do. And what.
Mommy!
No, Sissy, you just killed Mom. Were you dancing?
I was just doing this.
Stop! Dancing kills people! Oh no.
Sissy!
Did you hear? She killed her mom and sister when she was 6 years old.
Can people stop bringing that up? I was 6. I didn't know dancing killed people.
Everybody knows dancing kills people. It's the first thing we learn when we're younger.
Whatever.
Oh, look, it's the family killer.
That's it. I can't take this anymore. I'm going home.
Brianna, leaving school early? Going home to kill more family members?
Be quiet.
Come on, show us. Show us the dance moves you use to kill your family.
No, she's actually dancing. Let's get out of here. Brianna, what did you do?
Mommy, I promise one day I'm gonna be a princess for real.
No, you should never make a promise. Now you only have 10 years to fulfill your promise, or else.
Or else what? I go on timeout?
A permanent timeout. When I was 10 years old, I made a promise that I would have kids one day. Now I have to have kids by 20. Whoa, that's so young. I know, I didn't know about the 10-year rule.
When I was 6, I made a promise that I would be a princess.
Brianna, that's never gonna happen. There's no way a prince would marry an average citizen.
I know. I'm probably going to be dead in the next year.
Attention, everyone.
What is going on?
The prince is throwing a royal ball to find his princess. Even all you common folk are given a chance to impress the prince.
Brianna, did you take my blush? Wait, before you speak, I want you to know how important it is for you to never lie. Because when you lie, you'll forget all memory of the person you lied to.
Okay, I took it.
I'll be back, sweetie. I'm just going to get some milk.
Okay, Daddy.
Little girl, what are you doing in my house? Go back to your own house.
You don't remember me? Daddy lied. Okay, I'll go back to my own house.
All right, Mom, I'm heading to school.
Listen, just hurry up and send the child support. I need it.
Who are you talking to?
Your father.
Father? But I don't have a dad. I've never had a dad. Fine. Don't tell me then.
Class, I'd like you to meet our new principal, Principal Stevens. Brianna, it's so nice to finally meet you.
I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No. Stop. In the name.
I just killed my ex. Not the best idea.
It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me.
Killed his girlfriend next. How'd I get here?
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Mama just killed the man.
Oh no. Oh no. Run away.
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs.
Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. I got to go.
Stop. In the name of love.
What?
What do you mean?
I should have bought you flowers.
I can buy myself flowers.
And held your hand.
I can hold my own hand.
I can't help
Falling in love.
I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No, stop! In the name
I just killed my ex.
Brianna, I don't want to be the one to tell you this, but that is not your mom. I am your real mother. She doesn't know what she's talking about. She doesn't even know me.
You're right. You think you know my own mother better than I do? You're just never happy for me.
Brianna, wait.
Ella's mom, what are you doing here?
Ella never came home from school yesterday. Since you're her best friend, I thought you might know where she went.
I don't. I'm sorry. Jake, we have to cancel our date tonight. My best friend's missing. I'm really worried about her.
That's no problem. Get some rest.
Bye.
You've been talking to Jake a lot recently.
Yeah, I really like him.
Honey, hurry downstairs. I have a surprise for you.
Surprise! Ella? Jake? I don't think they're breathing.
Since you like them so much, I brought them to you.
Choose to speak to your soulmate or choose to speak to your mom? My mom passed away when I was 3 years old. How could I speak to her?
Hello, sweetie.
Mom? Mom, is that really you?
Yes, it is really me. I'm so regretful that I couldn't be in your life more.
It really is you. There's so much I wanted to tell you. Hey, Mom,
Yes, sweetie?
I have a date tonight. I really like him.
Aw, that's wonderful.
Will you help me choose an outfit for it later? I've always dreamed of my mom helping me get ready for my first date.
Of course.
Mom, these questions are really hard. Could you help me?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my mom. She's dead. I got a choice this morning to talk to either my mom or my soulmate.
Brianna, I don't want to tell you this, but that is not your mom.